This lesson is about Ghanaian piano tutorial. Okay, so I'm going to teach you how to play Blessed Be the Lord by Pastor Isaiah Fosu-Kwakye Jrn. Hello guys, welcome back to Pianowithnick. So the song was done in the key of D, but I will be playing the key of F. Okay, so if today is your first time coming across my video, kindly like, comment, share and subscribe. Okay, this helps the channel to get to newer audience. Okay, so that anytime I post a video, you will be the first to get it. Okay, so without much ado, let's check what I'm doing. So when we started the tutorial, okay, what I was playing was the intro. Okay, so without much ado, let me take you through what I was playing or what I was doing. Okay, so I was doing this. Okay, so that was the intro they were doing. Okay, so let's check what the right hand is doing. Okay, so this is what I was doing. Okay, so what is that? I'm doing the A, the D, the E and the F. Okay, so but check what I'm using to play. I'm not playing this. I'm not doing that. I'm doing this. Okay, so this. Okay, so it brings like color to it. Okay, that's what they used to play with. Okay, so like that. Okay, then you play the same thing again. Then the third one you play the same thing, but the fourth one it will change. Okay, the fourth one it changes. Okay, then you do. All right, so what is that? I'm doing the A, the D, the E and the G. All right, so this is the third time, which means the fourth one will change. Okay, then fourth one. All right, so let's check the left hand. Okay, what is that? I'm doing the D, the F and the A. All right, that's the first chord. Then okay, so I have the B flat, the F and the B flats. Okay, then we come to this particular chord. Alright, so I have the C, I have the F, I have the A. Alright, then okay, so I have the C, I have the E and the G. Alright, so okay, so let's join both hands, okay, to C. So it goes like this. The moment you hit the A, okay, so the A and the chord will hit at the same time, so like this. Okay, so I'm playing slowly so you get it. Okay, then okay, so that's the intro. Okay, so let me play through without any disturbance. Okay, so So that's what they use for the intro. Okay, so let's check the verse. Okay, so the verse started like this. Don't worry, I will be singing through so that you know each part that I'm singing. Okay, so the chords that I'm showing you. Okay, so let's check the verse. So the verse started off with this. Okay, so what do I have here? I have the D, I have the A. Okay, D and A. Right hand, I have the D, I have the F, I have the A. Okay, alright, then we'll move to this particular chord. Alright, so I have the B flat on the left, I have the F on the left. Okay, so the left hand is doing this. Alright, then the right hand is doing the B flats, the C, the D, and the F. Alright, then I'll do this. Alright, so what is that? I'm doing the C, I'm doing the F, I'm doing the A. Okay, that is on the left hand. Okay, okay, then right hand I'm just doing the C and the F. Okay, or you can change your finger position depending on the finger position that suits you best. Okay, or you can do this. Okay, so the left hand is doing the C, F, then right hand is doing the A, C, and F. Okay, that's the finger position. Okay, then we come to this chord. Okay, so we have the C, we have the G. Right hand is doing the C, D, E, and G. Okay, so let's check the verse again. Alright, or okay, so this is the first one I showed you. This is basically invention. Okay, okay, basically the same thing. Okay, so okay, then let's go. Blessed be the Lord who reigns forevermore. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Number 6. Okay, to the 4. Okay, then 1. Okay, then 5. Okay, that's all there is to the song. Yeah, oh, oh, yeah, oh, we pray, we praise. Alright, that's basically what they use in this particular song. Subscribe, okay, if you haven't yet. I'll see you in another video. Bye.